Hello, I'm Andrew with Mohawk Valley Handyman, and today we're going to be talking about toilet flanges. You heard that right? Toilet flanges. Now if you're asking yourself, what is a toilet flange? A toilet flange is the piece that connects your toilet to the pipes below it. Now this piece is integral, and you want to make sure you get this right, because if not, you may have some leakage coming out of your toilet when you flush, or some water damage in your floor or ceiling below. So stay tuned and we'll go through a toilet flange that's not set at the proper height. We're going to show you what we did to correct it. Okay, so we're here doing a toilet replacement, and I wanted to point out here on the subfloor, bring the camera right down level to it, you can see this existing toilet flange is level with the finished floor surface. And this is a problem. The reason why it's a problem is the horn of the toilet, the part where the waste actually passes through, needs to sit squarely inside of the flange. If it doesn't, and there's a gap there, all that you're relying on is the wax ring around the toilet, around the flange and the horn to be that seal for you. It may work for a number of years like this did. You can see some rust on the flange, which may be a little bit more than normal, but thankfully it didn't blow out and wasn't leaking, but that certainly has been seen. Here is a flange extension ring, so it's super important to use these in any situation like that. This ring can be positioned on over the existing flange, and it may take some finessing for me to get this in there. I may have to chip back part of the tile, but then this can get secured through using stainless steel bolts. In this case we have number 12 by 2-inch stainless steel screws, and that will get secured into the subfloor. And then the toilet bolts actually pass right through here into the existing flange and allow us to mount our toilet to it. So this is the proper way to correct an issue with a subfloor like this. One more thing to note, it's not as simple as just bolting it down. I left out the part without creating a gasket layer in between with silicone, 100% pure silicone. It doesn't matter if it's white or clear, but it does need to be something that does need to be silicone, ideally something that dries fast. So if you've come to this video because you have a wet spot in your ceiling above, or a puddle on the floor in your basement, you notice that the subfloor around where your toilet drains is all wet, chances are you've got an issue there. Now, that issue might be with the flange that we showed in this video. It might be set at the incorrect height. It might also not be level or secured properly. The wax ring can also break when the toilet is loose or wobbly. And that's an issue we can discuss in another video. However, thank you for joining us on this video. If you have questions, please leave them down in the comments, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more home maintenance tips. See you next time.